Hey guys, thanks again for tuning in. So I have a little bit of a problem on this 300ZX that popped up on the track day that I did about a week ago now. So I took it out to the track, and you were supposed to get everything teched for the car. So as they were looking at it, the guy told me like, "Oh, do you know your battery tie down's loose?" So I tried to tighten it down, and the entire thing just snapped on me, the little tie down. So being at a racetrack, you have about two tools that'll fix everything. It's zip ties and duct tape. So the battery is currently being held down with a crap ton of zip ties. So let's get that fixed real quick and hopefully get it back to good condition. This thing was not on there at all. I'm actually really thankful that the tech people pointed that out, because as you can see, there's supposed to be like a little bolt that goes through there. So got a new one ordered. Let's get it in. Alright guys, everything's in, taken care of. This battery is going nowhere. I'm surprised it actually held up as well as it did on that track day. But thanks for tuning in. Catch you next time.